If you are experiencing issues with your keyboard in Windows 11 and suspect a driver problem, reinstalling the keyboard drivers can often resolve the situation. To begin this process, open the Windows search bar and type in Device Manager. Once Device Manager appears in the search results, select it to open the application. In the Device Manager window, you will see a list of hardware categories. Expand the category labeled Keyboards. Within the Keyboards section, you will find your keyboard device listed. Right-click on the first keyboard entry you see, and select Update Driver from the context menu. Repeat this process by right-clicking on the second keyboard entry, if present, and again selecting Update Driver. This action will prompt Windows to search for and install the latest available drivers for your keyboard. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.